Why are you letting your everyday cash sit and do nothing? If you're still using a regular old checking account, chances are your money is barely earning you anything, if at all. But what if your checking account could act more like a savings account, earning you daily interest, while still being totally flexible? That's exactly what the Wealthsimple checking account is designed to do. It's a game changer because it allows your money to grow right where you use it every day. But there's a small detail about how the interest is applied that often confuses people: the next day withdrawal interest. So, how does this work, and what does it mean for the money you're earning? Let's break it down simply. First, the big picture: Wealthsimple pays a high annual interest rate on your checking balance. This rate is calculated daily on your account's closing balance and paid out monthly. This means every day, your money is working for you. Now for the next day part. Think about a deposit you make today, say $1,000. While that cash is available for you to spend or send almost instantly, the interest on that new money doesn't start accruing immediately. Here's the rule: interest on new deposits begins accruing 1 business day after the deposit is made and the funds are processed. Let's run through an example. If you deposit $1,000 on a Monday, it's immediately available to spend. The money is counted as part of your closing balance for Monday night. However, the interest on that $1,000 officially starts counting on Tuesday. The next day timing is a standard practice that relates to how banks and financial institutions officially process and settle funds. Essentially, it's the time it takes for a deposit to clear the system and be fully recognized for interest accrual purposes. What's key to understand is that once your deposit is cleared for interest, you're earning that interest every day your money stays in the account. Wealthsimple calculates it daily on your total closing balance. That's the money you have at the end of the day. And then they drop the total month's worth of interest into your account within 7 business days of the next month. The final takeaway is this: with Wealthsimple Checking, your money is always working. You just need to remember that interest on any fresh deposits begins earning its keep starting the very next business day. It's a powerful combination: the flexibility of a no-fee checking account with the growth potential of a savings account. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.